Kain tayo while I'm waiting for my sinigang na baboy to get ready. So let's have some kalbos ng kamote. And then sausawan natin ng vinegar. Okay. Sarap. Kasi meron tayong tilapia na bangus. Tinapa na bangus. Sausawan din natin ng vinegar. With rice, guys. With rice. Let's eat. Ang sarap. Here's my vinegar with jalapeno, pepperoncini, carrot. And then, kalbos ng kamote. Ang sarap. Ang sarap mga kumari, mga kumpadre. Binili din namin ito sa Seafood City, itong isda. It's a smoke. Tinapa. Tinapa sa Tagalog. Ng bangus. Ang sarap. How about John? You wanna say hi? Papa?
Hi.
You wanna say hi? Excuse me po. Wala kaming presko na sili ngayon. Yung maliit ba? Yeah, come on here. You wanna say hi in the video? Hello, hi. Nandito na si Papa John.
Hi.
Alis ka.
Hi. Hello.
You wanna try?
No.
This is talbos sa kamotihan. This is the sweet potato leaves.
Yeah, that's.
Try?
No, thank you. I just got through with that other thing.
What did you have? Snacks?
Yeah, that donut.
Papa John
It was
is just
good.
waiting for the sinigang din. Kakain siya mamaya. Pero matagal pa yan. Bagutman yun mo.
Hello. Have you forgot my brother over there sitting on the stove?
Kain, Han.
Ooh. Ooh.
Just making fun to smell the fish. That's okay. So, ito ba? Milkfish, honey. Bangus. Bangus, bangus. Sarap talaga itong kuanay kamuti. Presko na presko talaga, guys. I think we got lucky because majority of it is already in the fridge. And when we buy it, it doesn't look very fresh. But today I did really a big bag. Just wash it, boil some water, and just put it in there for a few minutes and done. And this is the result. It's really good.
Oh, that's.
I know Philippines what I'm eating right now.
Is that
They're
ginger?
sweet. Yeah, that's sweet potato.
Oh, sweet.
I'm cooking sweet potato. Thank you guys for watching. Mwah.